Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a reliable and affordable place to register your domain names, Dynadot is definitely worth checking out. In this quick mini review, I'll break down why Dynadot is one of the most trusted registrars in 2025. And of course, I'll share the latest Dynadot coupon codes so you can save money on your next domain purchase. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes to try so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest discount. Why Dynadot? Dynadot stands out for its transparent pricing, free domain privacy protection, user-friendly dashboard, and solid customer support. Whether you're buying a single domain or managing a whole portfolio, it's smooth, reliable, and cost-effective. Plus, they support a huge range of domain extensions, from classic.com and .net to trending new TLDS. Now let's get into the savings. Here are the codes you can try in 2025. Dyna25, save 25% off selected domain extensions. Domain 10, flat $10 off purchases over $50. Save 2025, extra 20% off for first-time buyers. Bulk 30, 30% off when you register 3 or more domains. New Year 15, 15% off .com domains for a limited time. How to redeem? Click the special link in the description, search for your dream domain, and add it to the cart. At checkout, enter one of these coupon codes, confirm your savings, and complete your order. It's that easy. So don't wait. Dynadot's flash deals don't last forever, and the best domain names are always the first to go. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and secure your domain at the lowest price today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more hosting and domain tips, and let me know in the comments which domain you grabbed. See you in the next one.